It's story time.
Forgetful Chef by Alyssa Liang. Larry is a forgetful chef. One day, he was making spaghetti for a customer. He was absent-minded. He put in too much salt. The customer had a bite of the spaghetti. He made a face and spit it out. Oh no! The spaghetti is too salty. Larry is a forgetful chef. One day, he was making pancakes for a customer. He was absent-minded. He put in too much sugar. The customer had a bite of the pancakes. She made a face and spit it out. Oh no! The pancakes are too sweet. Larry is a forgetful chef. One day, he was making a roast chicken for a customer. He was absent-minded. He cooked it for too long. The customer had a bite of the chicken. He made a face and spit it out. Oh no! The chicken is burned. Larry is a forgetful chef. One day, he was making ribs for a customer. He was absent-minded. He did not cook them long enough. The customer had a bite of the ribs. She made a face and spit it out. Oh no! The ribs are too rare.
Let's read.
He put in too much salt. The spaghetti is too salty. He put in too much sugar. The pancakes are too sweet. He cooked it for too long. The chicken is burned. He did not cook them long enough. The ribs are too rare.
Let's do the activities.
Activity 1. Color the pictures. What is Larry making in each picture?
He is making spaghetti. He is making pancakes. He is making roast chicken. He is making ribs.
Activity 2. Color the pictures. How do the customers like Larry's food?
The spaghetti is too salty. The pancakes are too sweet. The roast chicken is burned. The ribs are too rare.
Activity 3. Match the pictures to show why the customers do not like the food.
The spaghetti is too salty because Larry put in too much salt. The pancakes are too sweet because Larry put in too much sugar. The roast chicken is burned because Larry cooked it too long. The ribs are too rare because Larry did not cook them long enough.
Activity 4. Letters W and W. Say the name of the letter and its sound.
W.
Follow the letters W and W to help the witch find her watch. Trace the letters. Activity 5. Test your understanding of the story. Why do people call Larry a forgetful chef?
Because when he cooks, he is absent-minded. He did not cook the ribs long enough. He put too much salt in the spaghetti. He put too much sugar in the pancakes. He cooked the roast chicken too long.